Some Samsung Galaxy users have reported camera issues on their device, like the camera is not opening, it's crashing frequently, or it's showing a camera failed error. So if you're experiencing this on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus as well, here are some steps you can try to fix it. You can start with some basic troubleshoot, and that is simply force quit the camera app along with other windows, and then re-enter it. Now, more often than not, camera problem happens for storage issues. So what you can do is just go ahead, open up My Files, and check if the storage is almost full, because in that case, a lot of apps might misbehave. And if you want, you can delete some files from here to clean up your storage. Now, similarly, what you can do is go to Settings, scroll down for Device Care. From there, go to Memory. Just tap on View Mode so your camera app is showing. Now, make sure your camera app is selected in this section. You can keep other apps or unselect it as you wish. And then simply clear up your camera memory. Now, if that didn't solve your problem, this might be some minor glitch that's causing this issue. So now we're going to just force restart our device. For that, press and hold this volume down and power button together till the screen goes black. And in about 1 minute, your S25 will reboot by itself. Still having the same problem, now we're going to just reset our camera app. But we assume you are unable to open your camera app. So let's go ahead and open up Settings once again, and then search for Reset Camera. Tap on Reset Settings, and from here to Reset Settings, and lastly to Reset once again. Now, if you were unable to reset the camera app, don't worry. Open the app icon and simply long press on it. From this info icon, scroll down, now go to Storage. Now first tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data, and from this pop-up, press on Delete. Now, if everything fails to solve your problem, the last option is to reset all settings, because there might be some customized settings that might be causing this issue. So let's go ahead and open up Settings. Simply search with Reset to reset all settings, and I reset all settings. Now, this will not delete any data, will reset some customized settings along with your Wi-Fi password. So make sure you have that. So tap on Reset Settings, and then tap on Reset. After the reset, your device will restart and hopefully your camera problem will be solved. Last but not the least, some users have shared they're having a rectangular line on their photos on S25. And according to Samsung, the only way to get rid of it is to check for an update and install it on your device. So you can check it out from Settings and scroll down for a software update to download and install. If there is any pending update, just go ahead and install it on your S25. So these are the ways you can try to solve the camera issues on your S25. Thanks for watching.